Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about black sesame. Black sesame is a small seed. Its name in English is black sesame. Black sesame seeds are very small and light. They are about the size of a grain of sand, but they are strong and useful. Black sesame has a black color. The color is dark and shiny. Because of this color, it is easy to recognize. People often use black sesame in food and drinks. Black sesame is good for health. It helps the body feel strong and healthy. It is good for digestion and gives energy. Some people say it is good for hair and skin. I often roast black sesame and black beans. I drink them in the morning. This drink helps me feel warm, relaxed, and ready for a new day. Leave a comment and tell me if you like black sesame.